Hello Royal customer, and thanks for tuning into this video. My name is Cyril, and I'm with the sales team here at Royal Printing. Today we'll be going over the upcoming ACS changes that USPS is implementing on July 9th, 2023. So what exactly is ACS? Those are address correction services that happen to your mail pieces that are already in the mail. The type of ACS service your mail is subject to is relayed to the USPS in a service type identifier and coded into your intelligent mail barcode as highlighted below. So what is changing and how does it affect me? Well, effective July 9th, 2023, USPS is discontinuing a number of STIDs using manual address corrections, so it'll require you to choose another method of address correction. Mailers that do not enroll for a new method could see delays in posting of their mail until this process has been completed. The three options are alternate, traditional, and full service address change. Alternative ACS just means you'll be adding or current resident after or below the recipient name. USPS will leave the mail piece at its location instead of reporting COA or forwarding to a new address. One use case, for instance, is publishers who rent unique lists every issue and have no use for these change of address notices. Traditional ACS will be replacing manual address change corrections, which are currently at 74 cents per update. This will reduce the cost by half, bringing them down to 37 cents per notice when using traditional ACS. A keyline or member ID for recipient is optional, although we recommend including this keyline as it will provide additional NICSI information about the moves. NCOA NICSIs are records that match the NCOA file, but the match was not exact enough to allow the vendor to return the new address. This would allow you to put the subscription on hold until the recipient's new information can be validated. Full Service ACS does not cost anything for updates, however there are certain restrictions. 6-digit serial numbers for recipients are required and have to be unique in the mail stream for a period of 45 days. This can create issues for monthly publications or monthly titles, as the serial number has to be managed in order to be unique from one month to the next. NICSI address updates are using serial number only versus also having the recipient's names like in traditional. In order to enroll for the new ACS, you'll have to complete USPS Form 5116. This form will be used to create a web-based account with the National Customer Support Center for receiving change of address notices. USPS will then return credentials for accessing the site, which you will use to set up your profile, establish frequency of change of address updates, and download them in a desired format. The second form you'll have to fill out is the ACS Enrollment form. Here you'll just want to complete all the sections which I've highlighted. For the one at the top where it says ACS in parentheses account number, you'll just leave the account number blank since that's what we're signing up for. Complete the rest of the fields, then mail or fax the form to the address indicated at the bottom, or email it to bxdmm0@usps.gov. Note that the character before the @ sign is a 0 and not an O. Then you'll fill out the ACS enrollment form, which is also attached to this email. Under Account Owner, enter the CRID as it appears on your postage statement. The ACS account field will be left blank since we haven't enrolled yet. Then continue making your way down all the fields that I've highlighted. You'll notice that the Provide ACS Notices To section has been left blank. You'll want to complete this only if a third party manages your subscription fulfillment activities to grant access. At the top of the second page of this form, you'll enter under ACS Mailer options, you'll select your service type, alternative fulfillment methods, and optional fulfillment files. By default, your change of address reports will be provided in a .txt file, but you can also choose to receive them in .csv or .xml if that's preferable. Under Bill 2, again, you'll enter your CRID as it appears on your postage statement, and then there are a few columns here you'll have to enter. Enter your MID as it appears on your postage statement. Then, complete either the first class, or standard mail, or periodicals, or parcels column, whichever pertains to you, but in this case it'll be periodicals. Then enter under keyline yes or no, depending on whether you plan on utilizing keylines for those NICSE updates. On the next slide, we'll go over the options, which is one of the columns that we skipped for periodicals. These are the options for periodicals to receive their change of address updates. Options 2, 4, 5, and 6 are available for periodical class mail. Option 6 is a popular choice for many and provides the following benefits. Day 1 through 60, forwarding of mail pieces will happen and you'll receive an ACS notice. Day 61 through 120, forwarding of the mail piece will continue, but you will not receive an ACS notice. After 120 days have passed, you'll be receiving only ACS notices. Since everyone is different, we recommend reviewing each option in detail to see which works best for you. I hope this helped explain the upcoming changes from USPS. If you have any questions, please reach out to your sales rep and we'll put you in touch with our mailing team, which will help with this process. Thank you for watching and have a great day.